Okay, it looks like some people are having some issues dealing with the scope of variables, whether or not they're global or local. It's a little bit of a confusing topic. Let's go ahead and take a look at something I've put into Code Sculptor already. Here we've defined two global variables, and here we have a function. So if you take a look at what exists in the global scope here, we have this variable, one variable there, it's global variable, this is a global variable, and f right here, that's a global function. So that exists within the global scope. And then inside of here we have this, inside of f, we start defining local variables. So local variable and a global variable, they exist on a different plane. So it can be kind of confusing though when you make the unfortunate mistake of mislabeling a local variable as a global variable. So for example here we have this local var c that gets defined by local var a and global var b. Okay, so if I take away this global var here and I take away the local var here and all I do is reference a, in all of these different places, it doesn't change the way anything runs. Oops, we don't have this there anymore, right? It still runs the same way, but I've changed the names of everything, right? Before those had different names. If I undo all that, if I can, here we can see where I'm defining local vars in both of here and global vars there, but if I just make them all the same, then lo and behold, it becomes confusing about what's going on. That's why you really want to define your variables very, very well. So this is a point of contention, and I think that if you look at things a little bit more deeply and understand that inside of a function, functions define local variables, and outside of the function, global variables are defined, and then inside of the function you can make calls to global variables, it will make a lot more sense. So yes, a variable can at the same time be both global and local, but it's only because the naming has sort of messed up your perception of things. All right, good luck. Hope this helps out a little bit.